Hello everyone, welcome to Curious Minds. My name is Akshay sir, and now we will be discussing about this question. So this is a question that is asked in JEE Mains, which was conducted in 4th of April 2024 in the shift 1. Okay, so let's just read the question. So they are saying that there is an elastic spring and we are applying tension on it. Okay, and when the tension is 3 newtons, the corresponding length is A. Okay, and when the tension is 2 newton, the corresponding length is B. Okay, and they want us to find the length. They want us to find a tension when the length is actually 3a minus 2b here. There is a minus here. Okay, that's missing. Okay, fine. So because because it's an elastic spring first of all, and we are applying forces, and there is this extension of the length, right? So all those things, the formula naturally that comes to our mind is the spring force formula, right? F is equal to K into X minus L, right? That is naturally the formula that comes to our mind, where F is the force, okay, and K being the spring constant of that elastic spring, X is the corresponding length, okay, and L being the length of the spring. It's called equilibrium length of the spring when there is no force applied. Okay, so let's write down the information and see what we get. So they are saying that from this thing, we can conclude that 3 is equal to K into A minus L, right? Because 3 is the force, 3 newtons, K being the spring constant, A being the corresponding length, and L being the initial length. Okay, and similarly, we get the second equation we get as 2 is equal to K into B minus L. Okay, yes. Now what they want us to find is this: the tension T that is required to have the corresponding length as 3a minus 2b, right? So this is my length. Okay, yeah. So in this, to do that, maybe we can use these information. Okay, let's write A and B in terms of the other ones. So from this, what we can say is 3 by K plus L is equal to A, right? Similarly, I can say that 2 by K plus L is equal to B. Is it right? Let me check. So 2 by K, yeah, it is right. Both are right. Okay. Now let's substitute this and this in the next equation. So A is 3 by K plus L. So let me write that down. K, I'll write it. K as it is. 3 as it is. A is 3 by K plus L. Okay. And similarly 2 into B was 2 by K plus L minus L. I hope it is right. Let me check once. So A is 3 by K plus L, B is 2 by K plus L. 3 by K plus L, 2 by K plus L, right? Okay, fine. And then let's simplify this. Okay, so this will be K as it is. Let me write it this as a bigger bracket. Okay, so let me simplify that. It will be 9 by K plus 3L minus 4 by K minus 2L minus L, right? Okay, which can be further simplified. Now this 3L and this will be minus 3L. So these three things go out, and what is remaining is 9 by K minus 4 by K, which is nothing but 5 by K. Okay, yeah, and again K cancels, and the answer that we get is, so the required tension that is required was 5 newtons. 5, everything is in SI. Okay, so yeah, so the answer is 5. Thank you.